Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach very important problems in the chapter compound angles. Let us see the first problem. Tan A minus tan B equal to P and cot B minus cot A is equal to Q. Then cot of A minus B is equal to. Here the options are Q minus P by PQ. The second option is P minus Q by PQ. Third option is P plus Q by PQ. Fourth option is minus of P plus Q by PQ. According to the given problem, we can take tan A minus tan B. Tan A minus tan B is equal to P. Treat this as equation 1. And cot B minus cot A is equal to Q. Treat this as equation 2. By taking equation 1, from equation 1, tan A minus tan B is equal to P. We can write tan A as 1 by cot A minus tan B by 1 by cot B is equal to P. Taking LCM, we get cot B minus cot A by cot A cot B is equal to P. Here from equation 2, cot B minus cot A is Q. Here we can substitute cot B minus cot A by Q, that is Q by cot A cot B is equal to P. And we rearranging this, we get cot A cot B is equal to Q by P. Cot A cot B is equal to Q by P. Treat this as equation 3. In this problem, we have to find out the value of cot A minus B. Cot A minus B. We know that cot A minus B is cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. Cot B minus cot A. Here we know that cot A cot B is Q by P. Q by P plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. Here cot B minus cot A is Q. Taking LCM in the numerator part, we get Q plus P by P whole divided by Q. Then we can simplify, we get P plus Q by PQ. Here cot A minus B is P plus Q by PQ. Here the options are, first option Q minus P by PQ, second option is P minus Q by PQ, third option is P plus Q by PQ. Here the third option P plus Q by PQ is correct. The next problem, if sin x cos y is equal to 1 by 4 and 3 tan x equal to tan y, then sin x plus y is equal to. The options are, first option is 1 by 2, second option is 1 by 3, third option is 1 by 4, fourth option is 1. According to the given problem, given that sin x into cos y is equal to 1 by 4. Treat it as equation 1. And also given 3 tan x is equal to tan y. We can write 3 into tan x is sin x by cos x, that equal to tan y is sin y by cos y. Cross multiplying, we get 3 sin x cos y is equal to cos x into sin y. We know that from equation 1, sin x cos y is equal to 1 by 4. So 3 into 1 by 4 is equal to cos x into sin y. Now we get cos x into sin y is equal to 3 by 4. Treat it as equation 2. In this problem, we have to find the value of sin x plus y. Take sin x plus y. Take sin x plus y. We know that sin x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Cos x sin y. We know that from equation 1 and 2, sin x cos y is 1 by 4, cos x sin y is 3 by 4. Here sin x cos y is 1 by 4 plus cos x sin y is 3 by 4. By taking LCM, we get 1 plus 3 by 4, that is 4 by 4, that equal to 1. Here in the fourth option, 1 is the correct answer. Next question, if cot A cot B is equal to 2 and cos A plus B is equal to 3 by 5, then sin A sin B is equal to. Here the first option is 3 by 4, second option is 3 by 5, third option is 2 by 5, fourth option is 1 by 5. According to the given problem, given that cot A into cot B is equal to 2. We can write cot A as cos A by sin A and cot B as cos B by sin B is equal to 2. By cross multiply, we get cos A into cos B is equal to 2 sin A into sin B. Treat it as equation 1. According to the given problem, given that cos A plus B, cos of A plus B is equal to 3 by 5. We know that cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, that is equal to 3 by 5. We know that from equation 1, cos A cos B is 2 sin A sin B. Then we substitute cos A cos B by 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A sin B minus sin A sin B is equal to 3 by 5. By subtracting these two, we get sin A into sin B is equal to 3 by 5. Here we get the value of sin A sin B is 3 by 5. In the second option, we get 3 by 5 is the correct. Let us see the next problem. Sin x plus y by cos x minus y minus tan x plus tan y by 1 plus tan x tan y is equal to. We can write from the given problem sin x plus y by cos x minus y minus the second term is tan x plus tan y by 1 plus tan x tan y. We can write tan x as sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x plus tan y as sin y by cos y whole divided by 1 plus tan x tan y, that is sin x by cos x into sin y by cos y, that is equal to sin of x plus y by cos of x minus y minus. Taking LCM in the numerator and denominator part, we have cos x cos y, cos x cos y as LCM in the numerator. Here we have sin x cos y plus cos x sin y whole divided by, taking LCM in the denominator part also, cos x cos y is LCM, cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. sin x sin y. Here the denominator cos x cos y get cancelled. That is equal to sin of x plus y by cos of x minus y minus sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, cos x sin y whole divided by cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. That is equal to sin of x plus y by cos of x minus y minus, we know that sin x cos y plus cos x sin y is sin x plus y by cos x cos y plus sin x sin y is cos of x minus y. Here sin x plus y by cos x minus y get cancelled. Here the answer is 0. Let us see the next problem. If 3 cos x is equal to 2 cos x minus 2y, then tan of x minus y into tan y is equal to. The first option is 5, second option is minus 5, third option is 3, fourth option is 1 by 5. According to the given problem, given that 3 cos x is equal to 2 cos x minus 2y, x minus 2y. We can write the given equation like this: cos x minus 2y by cos x is equal to 3 by 2. Here we apply the componendo and dividendo rule. We know that the componendo and dividendo rule is, if a by b is equal to c by d, then a minus b by a plus b is equal to c minus d by c plus d, or a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. Now we apply the componendo and dividendo rule. Then we have cos of x minus 2y minus cos x whole divided by cos x minus 2y plus cos x is equal to, in the RHS, 3 minus 2 by 3 plus 2. Here we can write x minus 2y as x minus y, and we can write x as x minus y plus y. Here we can write x minus 2y by x minus y minus cos x minus y plus y whole divided by cos of x minus y plus cos of x minus y plus y. That is equal to, here 3 minus 2 by 3 plus 2 is 1 by 5. Here in the numerator, cos x minus y, treat it as cos a minus b. And also cos x minus y plus y, treat it as cos a plus b. So expand by using the formulas cos a minus b and cos a plus b, we get cos of x minus y cos y plus sin x minus y sin y. sin y minus, here it is in the form cos a plus b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Then we get cos of x minus y cos y minus sin x minus y sin y. Similarly, in the denominator, cos of x minus y cos y plus sin x minus y sin y plus of cos x minus y cos y minus sin x minus y sin y, that is equal to, here the RHS part is 1 by 5, 1 by 5. Here cos x minus y cos y get cancelled. We have sin x minus y sin y minus of minus plus sin x minus y sin y is 2 sin x minus y sin y. Here in the denominator, sin x minus y sin y minus sin x minus y sin y get cancelled. Here we have cos x minus y cos y plus cos x minus y cos y is 2 cos x minus y into cos y, that is equal to 1 by 5. 2 get cancelled. Sin x minus y by cos x minus y is tan x minus y into sin y by cos y is tan y, that is equal to 1 by 5. Here the value of tan x minus y into tan y is equal to 1 by 5. Here in the fourth option, 1 by 5 is the correct answer. Let's see the next problem. 1 minus tan 2 degrees into cot 62 degree by tan 152 degree minus cot 88 degree is equal to k root 3, then k is equal to. According to the given problem, we can take 1 minus tan 2 degree into cot 62 degree whole divided by tan 152 degree minus cot 88 degree is equal to k root 3. We can write the given LHS as like this: 1 minus tan 2 degree into cot 62 degrees as 90 degrees minus 28 degrees whole divided by tan 152 degree. Tan 152 degree write as like this: 180 degree minus 28 degree minus cot 88 degrees as 90 degrees minus 2 degrees is equal to k root 3. Here 1 minus tan 2 degree into cot 90 degrees minus 28 degrees is tan 28 degree whole divided by tan 180 minus 28 is minus tan 28 degree minus cot 90 minus 2 degrees tan 2 degree, that is equal to k root 3. Here taking minus common from the denominator part, we have minus of 1 minus tan 2 into tan 28 degree whole divided by tan 28 degree plus tan 2 degree is equal to k into root 3. K into root 3. Here it is in the form of 1 by tan a plus b. It is in the form 1 by tan a plus b, that is equal to k root 3. We know that tan a plus b is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Here it is in the form 1 minus tan A tan B by tan A plus tan B. Now we can write 1 by tan A plus B. Here minus of 1 by tan A plus B. Here A value is 28 and B value is 2 degree. That is equal to K into root 3. Then we have minus of 1 by tan 30 degree is equal to K into root 3. Now minus 1 by root 3, that is equal to K into root 3. By simplifying we get minus root 3 is equal to K root 3. Root 3 get cancelled. We get K is equal to minus 1. Here the value of K is minus